back to my channel. So again, you see this look twice? We did 2 videos in one day. So don't mind the top, don't mind the makeup. This video though is going to be on how I get my little beach wave hair. If you follow me on Snapchat, I said I was gonna do this tutorial so long ago, and I finally got to it. Actually, I did record it, but my camera was playing me, so that's why you have to see all of this, because again, still using my phone to record, so I can't really like zoom in and focus and use my backdrop and all that. So I recorded it, camera played me, didn't capture it all, so I had to redo it. So I finally got around to redoing it. So if you would like to see how I get my beachy waves effortless looking, but actually takes hella effort, just keep on watching and I'll show you how I get it done. So this hairstyle is not hard to do, but depending on how neat you want them, it is very time consuming. So the trick with this, I'm using my Bellamy 6-in-1 curling wand. I'm using the 25mm wand. And the trick with this is to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled and flat. So when you wrap it around the wand, you want to make sure that the hair is flat and you give some space between your curls, and you're holding about 1 inch of the hair off of the barrel so it's not curled at all. It just hangs straight. So what I do is on either side of the head, you're gonna curl the hair away from your face. So when you get about halfway to the middle of your head, you're gonna start winding your hair the opposite direction so it curls away from your face. So like I said, you wanna make sure your hair is good and detangled. Wrap it around the wand, away from your hair, making sure there's space between your curls, and holding about 1 inch of the hair completely off the barrel, and spraying your curls so they lock in place. You don't want to touch these curls at all until you're completely done and ready to, you know, like me, to wear your hair, or if it's already on your head, until you're completely done with all of it. The technique with this is having that, you know, splitting your head in the middle and having those curls all going in the same direction. So it makes them kind of uniform, but after you fluff them out, then they get messy and effortless looking. And that's the trick. You don't want to twist the hair around the wand. You want to make sure it's flat, another big thing. And then just that added detail of holding it off of the barrel. I hold it on the barrel for about 15 seconds, let it go, spray it, and move to the next section. I'm parting these sections in about 1 inch width, and you just keep repeating. Half the head curl away, other half curl the opposite way. Leave them alone till you're completely done. Really easy to do, just can be very time consuming. You can make these waves bigger or smaller depending on the size wand you're using. This is my favorite size for it. I also have, I'm really not sure what size it is, but I have a bigger one than this, and it looks really cute too. It works better with longer hair. It's just easier to do on longer hair and a little less time consuming. So if you can just see and hear that I'm making sure that I don't overlap the hair as I wrap it around the wand, and I don't twist the hair as I wrap it around the wand. Everything's flat and neat. You just keep doing that until you're all the way done. Your curls should look like. You can see half of them going one direction and the other half going the other direction. You just keep it pushing. So this is our hair pre-combed out. All your curls are good to go. So now it's time to slap that wig on. So I have a detailed video of how I put on my wigs. The The only thing different I've been doing is I've been starting to use this Ghost Bond. It works for me sometimes, it doesn't work other times. This wig is kind of old when I first started trying to learn how to make wigs. So I didn't leave enough lace, so it'd be really playing me. But we're about to remake it, so it'll be slayed in a couple of days. But you just want to attach the wig as you would normal. And then after you get it secured to your head, well, I'll be right back when we beat this face. Be back. So, now we're gonna comb the hair out. And you just wanna use a regular comb that you would like to section your hair out. It doesn't have to be wide tooth, it can be. You just wanna slowly comb through the hair. Not like teasing it, not being rough with it. Just go straight down to loosen up those curls. And then after you do that, you'll fluff everything out to get that messy beach wave situation. We're just gonna fluff this baby out. Voila! These are our effortless looking but takes hella effort beach waves. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see y'all in my next one. Stay trill.